Good morning, here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened broadly unchanged at 10,743.23 as investors continue to monitor the US-Iran standoff and risks around the Strait of Hormuz. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 was effectively flat, while Germany's DAX fell 0.27%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed higher at 26,331.09, while the S&P 500 advanced to 7,707.98. In company news, sportswear retailer JD Sports cut its FY27 profit guidance after weaker second quarter trading, particularly in North America. Recruitment group Hays maintained its final dividend despite subdued hiring conditions. Against sterling, the US dollar advanced slightly. The Swiss franc, euro and Japanese yen weakened marginally, while the Australian dollar strengthened. Bitcoin rose slightly. In commodities, copper and Brent crude moved lower, gold gained, and natural gas was unchanged. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great Thursday.